What is communication? Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. Every communication involves at least one sender, a message, and a recipient. There are four major channels of communication. First, sound. In communication, sound could be used to send information, especially about immediate, then travels faster through sound than via chemicals. Through the air, the traveling of sound is the transfer of vibrational motion from one molecule to another molecule of air.
Danger, snake. Stand up and scan. Danger, leopard. Head for the end of the branches.
Next, sound travels through water. How can it be? For starters, sound travels through water 5 times faster than it travels through air, since water is denser than air. Echolocation is a technique used by bats, dolphins, and other animals to determine the location of objects using reflected sound. This allows the animals to move around in pitch darkness so they can navigate, hunt, identify friends and enemies, and avoid obstacles.
Tactile channel is a form of non-verbal communication involving touching, handshaking, kissing, and kicking. It conveys a message from a sender to receiver. It can be seen through animals such as grooming. In this video, the lion cub wanted to play near the water but has been stopped by its mother. The female lion mother licking and put her cubs away from the water as it might be dangerous for the cub. To locate food. When the ant found a drop of sugar, it drank the sugar as much as it can, not for itself but for its nestmate. The sugar water is stored in the ant's social stomach. On the return home journey, the ant leaves a continuous line of scents. On its return, the scout recruits the other ants by giving them a taste of sugar from its social stomach. Entry. When another social group is nearby, it's time for the dominant host to take an action. The dominant host moves his harem to a safe distance. Then he makes his move to the intruders. He has the advantages of age and experience. And then the dominant male kicks its butt. He aims to assert authority not to hurt anybody. Animals often use chemical communication to mark their territories. They leave pheromones or chemical marks behind. The fun fact is, bees doesn't have noses, so how could they be trained to sniff? Well, they smell through tiny receptors under their antennas.
Other than that, pheromones help animals to find food, attraction, mate, identification, and alarm call.
Channel. First, color. There are different functions of color between humans and animals. Did you know that in human, color set a tone? So these are the color and their meaning. Which color that you are wearing right now? Different in animals, colors such as red, yellow, orange, black, and white are called as aposematism. These colors show as a warning. Examples of the animals are the golden poison frog, black widow, and zebra lionfish. Second, flashing light. There are some animals that uses light as their communication. Based on this video, Firefly Mexico are having mating dance. They uses light to mate. For 1 hour of magical time, the Firefly Mexico have done their mating process. Third, posture. Not only human, animal also uses their body posture to send a signal on what they wanted. For example, cat sleeping position. If the cats curl up, it shows that the cats are trying to conserve heat.